Ichigo is not just supposed to represent a hero, he's also supposed to represent the unity of all races. In the beginning of the series, Ichigo had already had a diverse friend group. A friend group with him, 2 humans, a Soul Reaper, and a Quincy. He's also trained by 2 Soul Reapers, Kisuke and Yoruichi, and once he enters the Soul Society arc, he makes friends with Ganju, who is secretly his cousin, and is a normal soul in the Soul Society, not a Soul Reaper. He then makes amends with the Soul Society after the arc, and in the next arc is trained by the Vizards, an outcasted group of hollow-fied Soul Reapers, and when he goes to Hueco Mundo, he meets Nell. Nell is an Arrancar with PTSD, and Ichigo basically just treats her as if she's his own daughter. And then the Lost Agent arc, the Fullbringers are his enemies, but when we get to Thousand Year Blood War arc, they are seen as allies. In the Thousand Year Blood War arc, Ichigo's race combination is all revealed. He's Soul Reaper, Quincy, Hollow, and Fullbringer. A pattern within each major arc is the highlighting of a specific race within Bleach. The Soul Society arc highlighted Soul Reapers, the Arrancar saga highlighted Hollows and Arrancars, the Lost Agent arc highlighted Fullbringers, and the Thousand Year Blood War arc highlighted the Quincy's. And even though the Quincy's are the enemies in the Thousand Year Blood War arc, they are still brought together and shown as allies when necessary. And not just Quincy's, but also Fullbringers from the past, and Arrancars. And this is something new that's within the Bleachverse. All these races prior would just depict each other as enemies, but when Ichigo came around, they all became closer and became allies. Ichigo is sort of like an anchor of unity of all the races within the Bleachverse, and even end of series, he becomes a English and Japanese translator, which Kubo confirmed is because Ichigo, it was meant to bring people together. He desires to connect 2 worlds. Overall, Ichigo is a very solid example of unity.